First, you need to go to your profile page and then click edit button here. After that, you choose edit layout section. So here, you can choose whether you want 1 row, 2 row or 3 row. But you can also custom your layout based on your preference. It also depends on the number of the row and column that you want. After finish, you can click save. So here I will share to you on how to insert the tab on the left side in the layout you choose. For example, you want to put text with an image. So drag the tabs to the page to add them. You also can adjust the position whether you want the block or tabs to be on the top, middle or bottom. And then you can put the text title and the description. You also can adjust the size of the image. You can center it and so on. After you have finished, you can click save. Tara, the block you choose, the block you choose earlier will appear like this. Oh, I forgot to tell you that you can choose the theme for your profile page. There are about 8 themes you can choose: ocean, modern, default, and so on. For example, you want modern theme. So you click there, modern theme. So this is how modern theme will appear. I think that's all from me. Thank you. Bye.